Hi everyone, Mike here with Zap Glue, and today we're talking about Zap Goo. Some of you may have remembered this as Zap Goo, and fun name as it was, now we just call it Zap Goo. It's a 1 ounce tube, highly flexible, great for high vibration areas. And so in the card, what you're gonna find is your 1 ounce tube of glue and then an extra tip. So if that tip does end up clogging up on you, you can go ahead and replace it. So we're gonna go ahead and squeeze some glue out onto the plywood here. And then what you're going to do with these is real similar to the some other contact cements you may have worked with. Put your joint together. We're gonna pull them apart. And then you're really gonna see that stringiness. See how it's starting to make those lines there? That's what we're looking for. You're looking for a good stringy glue and then hold it together. And that's really going to increase the bond strength for your Zap Goo. Look forward to seeing those planes that you're building using Zap Goo.